Do you want to use a VPN on a Mac to protect your privacy, secure your internet connection on public Wi-Fi, and safely access region-restricted content? On the internet, there are several top-rated VPNs, like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN, among many others. I use Surfshark for regional content access and quick access from the top menu. Here's the simple process. First, go to the VPN website and download the software for Mac. Once it's downloaded, open and run the software by double-clicking it or right-clicking and selecting Open. Follow the on-screen setup process and drag the app icon to the Applications folder. The app will automatically extract and install on your Mac. Now, find the Surfshark application or launch it from the Applications folder. Confirm by tapping Open, since it was downloaded from the internet. Once you sign in, open the app using Spotlight Search or from the Applications folder in Finder. Now, sign in with your subscription or start a free trial. The link is given in the video description. Next, Surfshark will ask permission to install the VPN profile and settings. Allow it to install. Don't worry, your system stays safe. Now, search for the region you want and connect to it. That's it. Your privacy is now safe, encrypted, and always protected online. Do you have any questions or confusion? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.